Okay everyone, I thought I was going to have to strip it all, but it was a thought I had in the middle of the night that I could go straight over the top because there's nothing restricting me. If I had to, I would have pulled off these side ones, but the window even the catch is in the middle, so I'm not restricted anywhere. So what I've done is I've packed, because the plumber took out a fair hunk of and he was sort of 4 or 5 hours fluffing around doing it, but in the next one I told him not to take off so much, and he hasn't, and he's way quicker. This job is for a bloke that I've been told that he was moving house and he fell over and he hit his head on the tow bar, so now he can't walk. So just be bloody careful everyone out there, because it can, things can go from woe to go. So with this, we just gently go down there, and this one, just wipe that off, Chriso, off the tile. So now I'm able to put my mosaic up. I'll be starting at the top and hanging down with the glue I've got. It's a mastic glue, and when you put your sheet of mosaics up, it just stays. I'll show you when I get to it. It's a special glue, but it's only any good for mosaics DIYs. You don't use it anywhere else, because if it's any thicker than say a 6mm notch trowel, it never dries. I've got a new 4mm notch trowel, and I'll be using that. So it was a bit of a job that it's sort of everything's unseen. Like when I do a bathroom, I know exactly what I'm doing. Here, stripping out, I didn't know what I was going to come up against, but I had a good thought in the middle of the night a week ago, and I was told to do it in a certain way, which I am, and it's turned out the bee's knees. So it's all good. My next one will go even quicker. The plumber is wanting to go fishing tomorrow, and he is spewing in a real bad mood with me, because this is more important at the moment than a day's fishing. Sorry all those people that are keen on fishing, but this is pretty important. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.